Life as we knew it won't resume until a coronavirus vaccine becomes widely available. In the meantime, you may want to consider adding certain products that you can find right now at your neighborhood grocery store to your diet. According to research, common items like zinc and green tea may lessen the severity of COVID-19 symptoms and combat the spread of the virus that causes it. While you are at the supermarket, don't forget to check out these grocery items that may soon be in short supply. Before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and turn those notifications on. And watch the video till the end because the last point will blow your mind. Number 1. Green tea. A new study co-authored by Dayu Zhai, a professor of plant and microbial biology at North Carolina State University, suggests that specific chemical compounds in green tea have the ability to inhibit the main enzyme or protease MPRO in SARS-CoV-2, the virus which causes COVID-19. Green tea has 5 tested chemical compounds that bind to different sites in the pocket on MPRO, essentially overwhelming it to inhibit its function, Zhai said. If the protease enzyme is inhibited, the virus can replicate. The protease inhibitors prevent the virus from forming mature particles. It's important to note that the research is still in its early stages. According to Zhai, to demonstrate the medicinal applications of this compound and extracts, it has a long way to go, he told. Number 2. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate was another common grocery item to show promising results in the same study. The researchers observed how the MPRO in the SARS-CoV-2 virus reacted once it came to contact with different plant chemicals compounds, in particular ones that exhibit both inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Computer simulations found that chemical compounds in dark chocolate and cacao powder were able to bind to different portions of MPRO, and lab experiments further showed that compounds could reduce MPRO's activity by about half. In other words, dark chocolate may have the ability to lessen the severity of COVID-19 spread in the body, but it likely wouldn't be able to stop it completely on its own. Bottom line, eating a few squares of dark chocolates weekly isn't a bad idea, especially if it doesn't include any added sugars. Number 3. Muscadine grapes. 2 varieties of muscadine grapes were also observed in this study. In the lab experiments, the chemical compounds found in the 2 types of the southern grape breed were able to completely inhibit MPRO's function. Muscadine grapes contain these inhibitory chemicals in their skin and seeds. Zhai said in his statement, plants use these compounds to protect themselves, so it is not surprising that plant leaves and skin contain these beneficial compounds. Number 4. Vitamin D. Several studies have shown that vitamin D, specifically D3, may help to lessen the severity of COVID-19 symptoms. Researchers and doctors believe this is partially possible because of vitamin D's ability to support immune function. Low levels of the vitamin can put you at greater risk of infection and cause other issues such as impaired wound healing. The body naturally produces vitamin D3 from sun exposure, which is why it's important to take supplements during winter months when there is less sunlight. In an Instagram live interview with Jennifer Garner, leading infectious disease expert Dr. Fauci said, "I would not mind recommending, and I do it myself, taking vitamin D supplements." Number 5. Zinc. As is the case with vitamin D, the mineral zinc is also crucial in supporting the immune system. Dr. Katrina Calder, MD, said, zinc can help the body fight against pathogens. Higher risk of infection and adverse outcomes coincide with populations with chronic diseases and elderly who are at risk of zinc deficiency, researchers wrote earlier this year. In Advances in Integrative Medicine, through several mechanisms, zinc may prevent, reduce severity and duration of symptoms. While more research needs to be done in order to find direct evidence, it may not hurt to incorporate more of the mineral into your diet. Always be sure to check with your doctor first before taking any supplement.